Hi, it's Donkey Shot, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Quick Finder and the search in the FX panel. The Quick Finder is this drop-down, which is accessible from both list and image view. And it's separated in actually 4 categories. Let's just start one by one. So the stats or statistic are categories that tell you which presets you used most recently or most commonly. Oh, by the way, one's missing. Let's create some favorites. And now we also see the favorites if they're there. If you don't have any favorites, they won't be visible. Type can be either a look, effect, or time saver, or your own actions, camera raw filters, or scripts. Those 3 are created by yourself, so you have to add your own actions, camera raw filter, or scripts. If you don't add them, you won't see them here. Then we have the bundles, which is every single bundle you imported, and you have a set, so if you created your own custom set, you'll find it here. The Quick Finder is a nice indicator to tell you how many presets are in which category. So we have 82 presets in total, and we have a bundle with 10 and 8 presets and sometimes 4 presets. You have 70 looks, 7 effects, 5 time saver. So that's a nice indicator to see how many presets you actually have. And if you want to switch into a bundle, let's say the FX Ray Essentials, you can do that, and then the FX panel will show you only presets from this bundle, or only your own actions, or only time saver. So that's what the Quick Finder does. And right at the end of this bar, we see the search icon. And the search actually works with filters too. So now everything is selected, looks, effects, time saver, and if I deactivate looks, for instance, there will only be effects and time saver. And since there's no looks, we can't even choose between color, black and white, and monochromatic, since those 3 are related to looks only. Well, let's say looks are active and I just want to have black and white looks. So I would either click on the ones I don't want, or I can hold the Alt key and click on the one I want. Same with the camera raw adjustment layer, misc layers, action scripts, camera raw filter. So if I want to have my actions only, I can just simply click here with the Alt key, and if I want to make everything else visible again, I just need to click on the Command key. So Alt key and Command key to toggle between solo mode and everything selected. You can also look for a name. Let's just say we want to look for Blue Moon. I can type blue and I get to see the blue moon or blue pie. And if I want now to be one of them camera raw, I can activate camera raw only. And now I see, okay, the blue moon is the camera raw one. Those filters always look in this category. So if I would go to my black and white bundle and I would look for color images, they won't be there since we only have black and white images here. Let's say I want a camera raw look from my intense portrait. I can do that by selecting camera raw. It would only look into intense portrait, and if I switch to all presets, I will now see all camera raw looks. You can also look for tags. So if I click on this icon here, I can now search for tags, and if I know what tag I'm looking for, I can just type it in. I want a black background, so now all presets that work with a black background would be active. Or I can just go to the preset option of one preset and click on the tag section. And now I know that this works with portrait, so I can just click on portrait, and then it automatically would switch to the search, enter the portrait tag, and now I could define it and say I just want a black and white portraits, and that's all that works with portrait. So that's the search and the Quick Finder.